Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you today. This one is a monthly setup in my Hobonichi, or my Fauxbonichi. Here's the April kit I'm going to be using. It's based on the idea of April showers. And there's the second page. I don't really have much to put in this month because, you know, who knows what's going on. But I'm going to set it up anyway. And maybe find a use for the spread somewhere along the line. So this is my March spread, and things just didn't really happen. But I'm gonna stop talking and start sticking. So here we are, here's my final monthly layout. I really haven't put much in. I've put in the stuff for Easter, and I've got like a little post-it note for our weekly food shop, because we're having to shop weekly now. But that's kind of it. So I'll show you what I've got left. I've got some of these film stickers, lots of these kind of deco raindrops, some bilgews, some more of these half boxes, and some coffee cups, and another payday bob, and then I got some full boxes, and then some birthday bobs, and then deco, and that's kind of it. So I'm just gonna pop that into the back of my planner, stash it in there, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, wash your hands, and I will see you next time. Bye!